Okay, now that was very fun for me. It's crazy how much fun something super slow can be. Fun to just crawl around. You don't have to go fast. I mean, I do need to do the pulley swap on this because I want to go faster than I'm going. But really, if I could just triple the speed of this, I'd probably be happy right there, you know? So, like it probably goes 4 miles an hour. If I could do 12, I bet you that would be enough. Maybe 18, but anything more than that, I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys what it did. I finally wired up the ignition, and you know, this is simple stuff, but some people, they may not know this. So here you go. All right, so switches. I have 2 switches right here. This right here brings my coil to ground. So up there is not grounded, down there it's grounded. So that's your on and off switch, right? Either which way that we do it, this right here, push button, this supplies power to the starter. So even whenever it's off, what's going on here? What is wrong here? Something's wrong. I don't know what it is. That's what's wrong right there. So we had a wire pop off because I was doing all kinds of crazy stuff. So we'll put that back in place there. Anyways, so look, it's off. But you turn it on. So really we just have 2 circuits here, right? This one right here is it's either grounded or it's not. When you ground it, it kills it. This right here, which is your start button, we have power going to our starter from the hot side. It is grounded naturally because this right here is grounded to the frame. Actually, is it to the frame? Yep. This right here is grounded to the frame, and this is attached to the frame. So there's your ground, right? But what I want to speak about is this. This right here is a solenoid. What a solenoid does, all it is a light switch, really, right? That makes connection between these 2 posts. The way it does that is we apply power. Now this right here is coming from my hot, and it just sits right there. Right there. It just stays there forever. This right here is switched with those 2 wires right there. One of them is going to straight directly to ground, and the other one is going to this side right here. Right? So hot coming in and a switched negative. So whenever I flip that switch, which is the push button, actually, I think I showed you the wrong button. Anyways, whenever I flip that switch, we make contact right here from hot to ground, and that magnetizes the switch that pulls in and creates connection across these 2 leads right here, which in turn brings power to my starter. And that's how it starts up. Then kill it with this one goes to ground. Now what I haven't done yet, see those 2 wires right there? Those are for my charging system, right? So my battery, I have to every now and then plug this up to a charger to charge it because I don't have it hooked up to the charging system. Now I need to do that. However, this thing came with dun, 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 ooh, this setup. My guess is this is a regulator, and it regulates the voltage. So you would put this in the hot side of those. So this would hook up to that red wire. That one right there, I'm guessing, goes directly to ground. The red one goes into this and straight to your battery positive. And I am doing this because I'm actually looking for help from you guys. I think that this is a Briggs & Stratton 20 horse opposing twin. I think I go from that red wire to this red wire, come out of here on this red wire, and go directly into the hot side. I think the only purpose for the orange wire is to go to my charging meter that you can't really even read much. And so I would go orange into this and again back to ground here to see if I'm charging. But please, if you guys know, tell me what to do. I actually heard it said just take those wires and just hook them direct to your battery and it'll be fine. And that might be what I'll do. Just go direct from those two wires straight to my battery, positive and negative, and call it good right there. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I am still working on the Craftsman. The Craftsman's coming along. It's time now that I've got it, you know, it runs pretty darn good. Got some pretty darn good tires on it. It's pretty killer. I like it a lot, but it's time to get some speed out of it. I don't have to go fast. If I could just go 10 or 15 miles an hour, that'd probably be more than enough. But it's time to start doing stuff like pulley swapping it, putting a gas pedal on it. Eventually, locking that rear end. I'll have to take that whole transaxle apart and weld it up. There's no other way to lock up the... I don't think there's another way. There might be somebody... I think Mr. Studebaker might make a kit to lock up this rear end. I don't know. But either way, I've got a welder and I can easily do it that way if I need be. The steering's sloppy, but who gives a crap? I don't. I mean, look at it, you know. But eventually I will upgrade that steering. Probably put double A-arm independent front suspension from a four-wheeler on there. Probably eventually. But for right now, no, I'm not doing anything like that right now. I'm just tinkering with it every now and then. I take little rides like you just saw. I take those all the time. I all the time just hop on it and just ride around and go, okay, yeah, that was fun. That's a great break in the day. Anyways, I hope you like the Craftsman. It is one fun little machine. I really dig it. I also dig how big it is. I'm about 6'2". And I had an old Allis Chalmers Big 10, and that was cool and everything, but it was real little. This thing is a lot bigger than that. These are 24 by 10 by 12 rears. And I have 2 inch, I think they're just straight 2-inch spacers on the back there. Looks pretty nice and meaty, but they don't extend out too far. It did increase its stabilization a lot because, you know, before these tires were all the way back here and it just wanted to tip over side to side really easy, but now it's a lot better now. But anyways, yep, there's the Craftsman. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. This thing's I'm just gonna keep going, slowly plugging away, doing all kinds of cool stuff to this. I'll put a rack on it, probably put a shaker hood scooper of some sort coming out the top there. That'll be the air filter. I don't know if I'll do straight pipes or what, but yep, slowly but surely I'll be messing with this thing more and more. Later.